Oh, hi. Hi. This is Mary Ruth Cross with Treehouse Family Counseling Services. Welcome to our playroom here. You caught me cleaning. Yes, with the current problems that we're having in our world, we have modified how we're doing play therapy. Some of the children and families do still come, just a few. Most of them are doing telemedicine and we're doing our sessions over the internet, but some of them come here. So we have a very strict social distancing protocol that involves wearing a mask and cleaning things down. So after the children leave, then we wipe everything down and clean the toys and clean the room and try and make it as safe an environment as possible. So we are trying to meet the needs of all of the children, the teens, and families that we work with as best we can. But you know, there's some pretty stressful times, and we really want to be there for you. So please reach out if you're struggling with stress, anxiety, worries, and fears. We are here to help. Our website has some wonderful information in our blogs at www.tcservices.org, or you can call me directly at 925-820-8447, extension 1. I would be happy to talk to you and see how we might be able to help staying safe and healthy throughout all of this.